G'day, she doesn't want to say. So I'll say.
No, I was just trying to tune my guitar, and then I got overwhelmed by the sea of people.
Sea of split peas.
Pretty. I didn't know how big this shop was until we got here this morning, so it's kind of scary. We've got a real cool little record store just around the corner from us in Melbourne, and it fits about 50 people. Yeah, I thought it might be that kind of size. We did it. They got noise complaints last year, so we got asked to do a show, but then we had to make it a silent gig, so it was all we had an electronic drum kit, and we all plugged in, and they had 50 sets of headphones, and so if you took our headphones, if you took your headphones off, it was just me going and this. Cool. Next. Oh, hello. Hello. Yeah. This song's called "Out of the Woodwork." I was busy underwater, seeing how long I could hold my breath. A drowning flower caught my eye, and I had to come on up for air. Just because you're older than me doesn't mean you have to be so condescending. I still see the same things that you see. I'm a little shady on my history. Talking to me, now you're talking to me all the time. Do you know you're no good at listening, but you're really good at saying everything on your mind? It must be tiring trying so hard to look like you're not really trying at all. I guess if you're afraid of aiming too high, then you're not really gonna have too far to fall. I am lonely, forgiving, but only you are. How's the